Jacob's like, I got a mouth.
Look at Jacob's face.
Hmm?
Come here, buddy.
He
You know, used to texting his mouth.
Like mashed potatoes.
Hayden. Hayden, did you get it out, buddy?
Go up to his face.
What is that? Is it different? That's just different.
Did you get it out, bud? Come get a bite of your mac and cheese. This is way better.
Jacob.
This is better. This mac and cheese. You sit in there, Kai.
What did you end up getting her, Kylie?
First.
Yeah,
You
but
got
I
some-
made more
you got some
stuff.
potato in your mouth. Come here. Like your mouth. A bite? It's mac and cheese. No? But Hayden, you're hungry, buddy.
Poor Jacob.
He is like.
You want a bite of Nana's? Nana's was better. Nana didn't have Jacob's. You want a bite of this one? No. It's better.
He's not used to it being in his mouth.
Yeah. He doesn't like it. Jacob.
Not like it at all. Oh yeah.
That nasty stuff in it? Why don't people eat these if
He's eating. He's just not used to it being in his
It's
mouth.
so funny. Here, I'm gonna sit right here,
you want
Melissa.
some meatballs?
Is that good?
You want some meatballs?
You like that?
Huh? You want some spaghetti on meatballs? No?
What is that? Huh? What is that? What is that? I don't eat too much because it might mess with his stomach.
If anything, it'll stop it up. He won't have the runs. Jacob, whoever you are. Why are you so cute, Tubbs?
Yeah.
I know, we both got pillows. That's nice, huh?
What's that? What is that?
You got no blanket and some pillows, huh?
What is that? Oh, the movie. Oh,
You got it on record?
no. No.
What happened?
It was he hit the thing when I
Jacob.
sat him down.
Hmm.
Hayden? We've been waiting for it to come back on.
I can't believe you put formula in mashed potatoes.
No, I had because you gotta put it because the milk. I can't use regular milk.
Hayden, say hi. Say hi. Are you snuggling? Are you snuggling with Nana?
See, he does like it.
Look at his face.
He looks like a fat little baby, like with all
I mean, you better leave him alone.
Can we watch this?
It's so funny.